I'm Joe Swift. I'm a garden designer, a television presenter and a writer. I do think that things are moving more towards the environment and wildlife. So I think people are looking for wilder gardens, within a framework, wilder planting, looser planting, and just putting plants in that are going to encourage wildlife, birds, insects, bees, and all that sort of thing as well. So I think the environment's a big one. Top flower plants of 2022, I would go for pollinating plants as well, and I think we're going to see a lot of them at Chelsea, because you can have beautiful plants in the garden, but ones that also are beneficial for bees especially. So the humble oregano, okay? I mean, it's absolutely delicious, you can cook with it, but it's also in the top 10 pollinating plants and it has a very long season of interest too. So it's a bit of a weird one, but I'm going for oregano. Chelsea is going to be packed. Main Avenue is packed. The last couple of years with COVID and everything, it's been a bit tricky getting the number of show gardens there, and I think that the Floral Marquee is going to be absolutely packed as well. So I think there's something like 17 large show gardens as well as all the smaller ones too. So it's going to be a huge range. There's Project Giving Back, so we're going to see some charities represented there as well, so that's a great initiative. And watch this space, I might be involved in doing a garden there, but can't say anything about it at the moment. For my own garden, I've got a small garden in London, and I've got a larger garden in France that I've been working on, and I love my garden in France, and I am thinking of getting a robot mower, because they're meant to be absolutely fantastic, and they only use a small amount of electricity, so they're very green as well. And I'm going to try out a little bit of gardening technology this year.